Was it who ni hwe ose adum chen nkofo ne amoya no attacking the quote na attacking the shirt ade was disciples Peter and Paul nya ya hwe om nyina ba chale they are still strong
enya kudie ana da ho mo odasani bia wasase so se wusuro sa wo bako a na maji Yesu din ni na ade ye sasase ase edin Yesu nti ye bapie mu a mu hu no kura na musuro sa mo bakasa ye obi asem no nyame asem no obi asem so nya bafa Yesu din ni sa wo ye na djuma ade to asore so de a mame kan kire o sa esesa wo koma Kristo
obi ti say adagwaja onye Kristo ni eti say adagwaja kan asema me criticize no but the moment I be catch am say wo ye Kristo ni de me wo license me wo we say me interrogate what you are saying me wo right say nya wo so wo right a wotimi catch am for say Bible ni nyina wo so na gina no say wo gina wa so dem pe no mente ye de a okay but me te de a Bible na mesua no enchire say ye throw Bible no about certain man.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, baby. I will be am the check a CNMA higher Xposed GH. On subscribe me the two man I want say I can be. Dina Asamoah the iron woman, the iron lady, I evangelist lay o slave for nyame. And your dressing your woboa or dressing my who said Dina Asamoah na eba no. Was it who ni hu? Hwe, o say adum chen nkofo ne amoya no attacking the quote na attacking the shirt. Ade was disciples Peter and Paul nya ya hwe om nyina ba chale they are still strong. Was it make tell me say one why am ready for the war. No war na moya na enkwala ketekete na moya. Enyam na mekae eda na Asamoah kai the iron lady.
No ma catch us a fight and me fight here. Because according to Job chapter 7 verse 1, was it enya kudie. Ana da ho mo odasani bia wasase so. Se wusuro sa wo bako a na maji Yesu din ni. Ono a wadi ka bako e tender nyame hirawo. Me ba tender. Uti urasa say ya from tender ya from Sami brother Sami bano tender. Wow, mami ka Isaac e won kire wo. Say, wo baji Yesu di na wo hu no kura bi na wo ka enyi obi asem. Se nipa ne ba he no wo se wono na asem dia obi nka. Na the moment I would Yesu di mba to so de. Oh, forget it. And ya baka ka biem. Na ade ye sasa afiase edin Yesu nti ye bapie mu a mu hu no kura na musuro sa mo baka say obi asem no nyame asem no obi asem so nya bafa Yesu din ni sa wo ye na djuma ade to asore so de a ma men kan kire o sa esesa wo koma Kristo wo kugina mu akoma no kure Ezekiel chapter 33 verse 7 to 8 a Kristo for mu tie na mo hwa djuma esesa mo ye ma awrade Ezekiel chapter 33 verse 7 to 8. Na mono montan ka Bible nti no. Amehu awuramo. Enti ne die sasa wo mo ka kra na wo suro. Ena sofu we die me say. Sa sofu for pala. Obi aso be fra wo suro. Na me se wo suro na afra me. Afa ya da na akoko fifa nkrofo. Me wo ho na wo mo fra wo mo ba ko so mo medi matam no. Afra me. Anu wakachira ne sa papa na de maami ye wose han mi a de me so yo banti menene nko enti no maami fa koyi oh e ko obesa afre enti no ma shankrofo bi nti ubara na san lawyer bi a wonim de wo ya ye fisika ketuwa bi ma no no betena ho starte na mse wo lawyer we afre ni ma hu se nti kura na mse me mfa masem ma lawyer bi ada anyu o nyina na te saade ne binom ya de nokra atowom na asofofo akra ya atowom nokre na lawyers na nti dinim ye din yefo a adin so obi betimi aku men kasa wuji din dia wumu wo ba wudia na wo kura nso a wo besa asore because a din Christ na nkasa no So we need a Swania Candia, and you will be able to make cool just like that. So we need a Swania Candia, but me mean a Swani Christo. Our woo young and nonsense was sorry, yeah. Our brand was a good in Sasso Natalia Mojani Chaya, Amabium. And yet by years soon one, Okotona Candia, one of them, a dear charges or Sano, Nina, you say, Mokolas in sa, Bentino, Mempa Colasay, Mempa tight, Mimpewe, now Feno, what dear Candia Musica Cassia, with the moments in a barbarity, most one on a concrono. Boy, you fake the comment ramo. Money to me because Monsieur Yamia 17. Now, my person was here says a pala. So I call it rare into a suru musuru said. Me suru musuru ya me some and what then me back on the air. Give power according to Psalm 62 verse 11. David is saying Yankupa Casapreco. Prenuso na matis a 2 million Yankupondia. Yes, you are Miss Summon on what Samado. Quadia Samado Samusafua. According to 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse number 55 going. Mammy can't show. Yamiban watching a dear. Yamiban, I was summoner. Obasa da kwa asankwa wa boni papa me abekum ni akasa de wo kan enabam ba me enya mi TV so me suma wurade a wo soro na ni tini fa ase nyina so according to 1 Chronicles chapter 16 verse 9 afia wurade nyankopon te soro na ni tini fa ase nyina so opakuma di mu de nam ye ne dan ye de aboa wuti di ni di na de akoma ne adwene ne mawa odi boa Oba ho ban o hwa so o ji ufiri amane ani mpokyerem eno ne menyina so anti ama mi nsoro hwe wo wiase enya ade na mi bu ade because Yesu na me som no o se wo dwo obra ne ho ase why no wati na die o jidi ni mapa na wo bia begina wo se enam manum asam so mo hu Kristo na ya nananom ati Yesu di ya wo ma wuwu no a say one I
me pacho iron lady na make na asem no so hwe. I say just a Christianity is about persecution. Ushemo say be glad and rejoice when they persecute you. Enti sabe mo persecute you for no nya Christopher. Because Bible ne say be glad when they persecute you because you are Christian, because they will accuse you and chase you. And no be na da Asamoah say onim say asem no kan enokra de ontimi nya ne foko. Yes, now after all, most we are Christopher. Asem no mo kan asem bitimi digest na bitimi e baba mu. E Bible na da Asamoah kan no. Mo muli da na Bible no kan no. It is a Bible na da Asamoah kan. Na no to asem persecute na. Mo persecute no. E wiase away. Sabi nyame nku a otiasefo ye kwa. Eno no person che na mi bisa bibio. Mi nim nyeti a obi ka sabi asama na followers no mani abresa me pa mo cho ensam na papa ne ka no mo na mo kan se on ka na any free will asama finimu no oka ana meboa and me wa every right as a Christian say me digest once maka bibi to say obi to say adagwaja onye Kristo di it say adagwaja ka asama me to me criticize no. But the moment I make a say we are Christo ni there, me wo license, me wo we say, me interrogate what you are saying. Because say teachings na a false teaching na ye leading go to hell, which I don't want. Maybe we right to say ya wonso we right I want me catch up for say Bible ni nyina wo so dey gina no. Say wo gina wa so dem pe no maintain ye there okay. But me te there Bible na mesua no enche say ye tro Bible no about certain man. The Bible na ewo ho no the mind of God concerning God and concerning Christ, the risen Christ is not about a man. Enti say na ubegina ka chem say based on nyama 1 2 3 binti essentially 1 2 3 binti yemfro nyame dia emfa me ba sorry I want to listen to the word of God. I want to listen to preaching. I don't want to hear about you because you are a human being. You are not God. me ba wa sorry a me pese me ti Yesu ho asem me pese me ti Nyankopon asem me pese me ti nipa ho asem because me nipa me so betimi atra me fie na metimi aka me ho asem me pese me ti Yesu ho asem. It's a Bible no me ba ho na nye quotation na film story bebe me ti bi da se e ka pulpit so na the pulpit is about somebody any niam otonton dia and then matese oton dokuno enchinam ene maku ya kwa ya na se bai. And we are say, I saw them say, meanwhile, yes, you could bomb my sorry them because you told your mother, say, my house is not the house of thieves. Where Bible neka was it me fear and ya confirm fear. And then I'm not baby fear, no mama cancer, no to Tonyama. Where the word of God? It won't turn there. Now, initially, you are against it, now, I won't turn there. I have every right to tell you, say, what you are saying is false. Until I say, simple. Xposed GH member subscribe share. Do to one house I can
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.